In this video you will learn how to pay with QR code on Wise. Open the Wise app, then log in. Use your secure credentials to access your account on mobile. Go to the card tab, then scan QR code or import QR. This opens your camera to choose an image to scan. Scan the merchant QR code, then upload it as from a photo. Ensure the QR is supported by Wise and available in your region. Confirm the payment amount and recipient details. Wise will display a final amount and fee before you authorize the payment. Authenticate the transaction with fingerprint ID, Face ID or PIN. Complete secure approval and process the payment. Check your transaction history to confirm the payment. The payment will appear in your Wise history once it is completed. Now you know how to pay with QR code on Wise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.